Good morning everyone. In today's lecture, we will be solving some additional question of Laplace which will cover the already explained property. This is very important question from your exam point of view. Question is, find out the Laplace transform of 1 minus cos t upon t square. We solve this question using 3 steps. First, we find out the Laplace transform of 1 minus cos t. After that, we are find out the Laplace transform of 1 minus cos t upon t by using division property. And in third step, we are applying the same property division by t to calculate 1 minus cos t upon t square. So let's start the solution part. Find the Laplace transform of 1 minus cos t. Here we are using linearity property to separate both the function and find out the Laplace transform of 1 and Laplace transform of cos t. By transform of elementary function, we already know that the Laplace transform of 1 is 1 upon s and Laplace transform of cos t is s upon s square plus 1. In second step, we need to find out the Laplace transform of 1 minus cos t upon t equal to integration of f dash s and limit is s to infinite. Here the value of f dash s is 1 upon s minus s upon s square plus 1. So we simply integrate this expression. When we integrate 1 upon s, we get log s, and when we integrate s upon s square plus 1, we get half log s square plus 1. Here I am writing log s as half log s square and minus half log s square plus 1 is as it is. Here I am separating the constant term, that is half. So we separate half and apply the property of log m minus log n, and result is log m upon n. So Laplace transform of 1 minus cos t upon t equal to half log s square plus 1 upon s square, and this is the value of f dash s. Please watch the previous video where I have explained the how we are converting the expression in this form. The same expression can be represented as log s minus half log s square plus 1. Again we are using the property of log. So m log n is log n to the power m. तो हाफ पावर में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा and we write this expression. Now we plugging the upper limit and the lower limit. So when we are plugging the upper limit we get 0, and when we are plugging the lower limit we get negative log s upon under root of s square plus 1. If we want to eliminate this negative sign, so we are writing this expression as log under root of s square plus 1 upon s. Till now we have Laplace of 1 minus cos t upon t. In third step, we will apply the same property of division by t to get 1 minus cos t upon t square. So Laplace transform of 1 minus cos t upon t square can be written as in this form, and we replace the value of this expression and this is f dash s. So in next step, Laplace transform of 1 minus cos t upon t square is 1 by t half log s square plus 1 upon s square. Now using the division by t property, we integrate this expression with limit s to infinite. So s to infinite half log s square plus 1 upon s square ds. We simplify this expression in next slide. This is the expression. We will multiply this expression with 1 since multiplying anything with 1 doesn't change the value of expression. So we write this expression as Laplace transform of 1 minus cos t upon t square is half integration s to infinite 1 into log 1 plus 1 upon s square ds. We write log s square plus 1 upon s square as log 1 plus 1 upon s square. आप मल्टीप्लाई करके चेक कर सकते हैं, बोथ आर सिमिलर. व्हेन वी आर मल्टीप्लाइंग विथ 1, so in numerator part we get s square plus 1 and in denominator part we get s square. So both are similar. We also write log 1 plus 1 upon s square as log 1 plus s to the power minus 2. After this we are using simple integration. For this we are applying integration by part and we are taking log as a first term and 1 as a second term. So first term is as it is, integration of second. So half s log वाला term as it is minus differentiation of logarithmic term and इसका differentiation 1 upon 1 plus s to the power minus 2 and again ये term आपका differentiate होगा. So we get minus 2 s to the power minus 3 and 1 का integration that is s. हम इसे simplify कर लेंगे. When we are plugging the upper limit by the L'Hospital rule, we get 0 and when we are plugging the lower limit, we get the same expression. In integration, we must simplify this expression and then we are integrate. So in next step, this is half minus s log 1 plus s to the power minus 2 plus integration and limit is s to infinite and ये एक्सप्रेशन को हमने सॉल्व करके लिखा है 2 upon 1 plus s square ds. In our previous question, we already solved 1 upon 1 plus s square when limit is s to infinite and the result is cot inverse s. So हम सेम रिजल्ट को यहाँ पे अप्लाई करने वाले हैं. So Laplace transform of 1 minus cos t upon t square is half minus s log 1 plus s to the power minus 2 plus cot inverse s. Because हमने ये फॉर्मूला ऑलरेडी देखा हुआ है. So this is all about today question. I hope this question is very easy to understand. I have solved this question step by step, but still if you have any doubt, please feel free to ask in comment box. Keep watching, keep learning, stay connected. Bye-bye.